As part of the Labor Day celebration, more than 14,000 jobs were offered at a job fair held in Pasay City, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. In his message, President Marcos Jr. emphasized the government's ongoing efforts to improve the welfare of Filipino workers. The chief executive assured the public that the administration is working hard to reward the sacrifices of workers by boosting the economy. He also cited job fairs as a key initiative that has helped reduce the unemployment rate. On the call for wage increases, the leader of the land acknowledged the clamor from labor groups, but stressed the importance of studying the matter carefully. The nationwide job fair was simultaneously held in 69 locations, offering over 200,000 employment opportunities to Filipino job seekers.
Dulot ng masiglang ekonomiya, noong nakaraang taon, naabot natin ang pinakamababang unemployment rate sa loob ng 20 taon. 4.3%, pinakamababa sa 20 taon. Patuloy ang pagbuti ng kalagayan ng ating labor market. Nitong Pebrero, bumaba pa sa 3.8% ang unemployment rate natin. We hear the call of our workers for better wages and assure you that your concerns are being addressed through the regional tripartite wages and productivity boards. The government stands firm in its commitment to protecting and advancing workers' welfare while promoting inclusive economic development. Patuloy na pinag-aaralan ng mga regional tripartite wages and productivity board ang antas na pasahod sa bawat rehiyon. Simula Hunyo ng nakaraang taon, 16 na rehiyon sa Pilipinas ay nakapagpatupad ng dagdag sahod na. Sa kabuuan, 28 wage order na ang naaprubahan.